A photograph is just a flat 2D image, right? And we humans observe the world in 3D. So to add a splash of life to any type of footage and make it look more 3D, we can just add depth, because if you think about it, depth and 3D is just layers. So let's create that. Now, in my opinion, the best looking shots are the ones with a foreground, a background, and of course a middle ground. And in the scene I'm in now, I'm fully surrounded by things that I can use to create depth. I have trees, rocks, roots, bushes, all things that can help my 3 Instagram fans view my shots with a little more life. Now, there will of course be times when you can't add foreground elements or it simply doesn't fit the scene. Then another great way to add depth, layers, separation is to open up that aperture and get a shallow depth of field. It'll emphasize the distance between your subject and your background, especially if you're shooting on a telephoto lens. So instead of having this, we can have this. And thanks to the background being blurry, it just looks further away. So as always, this is completely up to you, but if you ever feel like your photos or videos just looks a bit boring, it might be because they are flat. So try to add some foreground, create some layers and depth, and I guarantee you it will look better. And of course, if you think I missed something or you have your own opinions on this, I'd love to hear about it in the comments or in the Facebook group. So I'll see you there, or I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.